launch date leaked for Samsung's new mid-range phone. Samsung's flagship Galaxy S23 series might be selling like hotcakes, but not everybody has a grand lying around to drop on a smartphone. For people who prefer a healthy balance between power and affordability, Samsung's Galaxy A54 and A34 mid-range models are likely to be a lot more palatable. The rumor mill around these two devices has been heating up lately, so we knew they were coming soon. We just didn't think they'd be coming as quickly as the latest report suggests. Smartphone insider OnLeaks today received a tip from a reliable source that he's not 100% certain about, but still was confident in enough to share. Samsung could be taking the wraps off its Galaxy A54 and Galaxy A34 on March 15th, just 2 weeks from now. The A54 is expected to feature a 6.4-inch 120Hz Full HD AMOLED display to go with 6 or 8 GB of RAM, all powered by an Exynos 1380 and a 5000 mAh battery. The A34 is thought to use a 6.5-inch AMOLED with a 90Hz refresh rate, with RAM topping out at 6 GB and a slightly less powerful Exynos 1280 processor, but an equally large 5000 mAh battery. Last year's Galaxy A53 easily ranked among the best budget phones, and we expect its successor to follow suit thanks to a solid spec bump and quality of life improvements like flashy new colors, though this could all come with a price, as the phone is expected to cost a tad bit more than its predecessor. 2022's Galaxy A53 is currently Samsung's best value buy thanks to a fantastic display and solid internal specs. Plus, you'll still get 3 more years of OS updates and an additional year of security patches.